If you're struggling with weak erections or erectile dysfunction, you're not alone. Many men turn to expensive pills, but those only provide a short-term fix. The real solution is boosting circulation and supporting your body's natural ability to perform. In this video, I'll reveal 3 easy-to-make recipes that enhance blood flow and work like a natural Viagra without harmful chemicals or side effects. This simple watermelon-based juice is a powerhouse for improving nitric oxide levels and increasing blood flow. The ingredients include watermelon, rich in citrulline, which converts into L-arginine and improves blood circulation. Ginger boosts testosterone and enhances blood flow. Lemon, packed with antioxidants and bioflavonoids to improve vascular health. How to prepare: cut a quarter of a watermelon into cubes and blend it with a small piece of chopped ginger and the juice of 1 lemon. Add a little water, blend well, and drink half a cup each morning. This juice helps relax blood vessels and significantly improves erectile function. However, making it every day requires time and consistency. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a natural and effective formula to simplify your life. Stock is limited, so act fast. Stock is limited and demand is high. Click the first link in the description and get yours now.